Hello traders, it's Friday, February 17th. My name is John Paul. I'm going to turn on the autopilot trading system and let it do its thing because I have a live class at 11 o'clock. Members only, autopilot training. It's every Friday at 11 o'clock just for the users of the autopilot. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Always talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So what you're seeing here is the autopilot. It's an automatic trading system, an algo, hands-free. It does everything for you. You have the ability to move the targets and the stops if you want using the chart trader, but I'm going to let it just do its thing, let it run until 11 o'clock, because at 11 o'clock I have the live class that I present, which is the training for the users that have the autopilot. If you have any questions, if you're interested, send us an email. Let's make sure that this is right for you. Again, my name is John Paul. Have a great weekend.
Hey, you, look at you, and a rolling, and got another young girl soling. Now you're looking at me like I'm supposed to believe you. And hey, you, checking your flashy little watch now. It's about time for a breakdown. You're on the prowl for girls with endless fantasies. Doesn't take more than a hug to convince me that your mouth has no clean things to say. And all that ripping and running will catch up with you one day. When you find your delay, looking kind of funny. What, you run out of money? Did your trip to the big house teach you of the finer things? Fruit Loops and tons of hair gel. No, that won't get you out on bail. Fool her once, shame on you. Fool her twice, then she's the fool. Doesn't mean your looks will get you a bluebell. I got my super chicky powers of reverb now, and all that ripping and running will catch up with you one day. When you find your delay, you, and hey you, hey you, hey you, and hey you, hey Your words are drenched in sweat. Your mouth touched my soul, and I like it regretfully. Lust never looked so good and white, so good and white. Your shipwreck windowland and 5 degree weather, frozen like a lake in Canada Christmas night. And I bet I'll be a fool, and it ain't even April yet. So I should have felt you now. Your side has already given me motive to breathe, still exhaling to you. And still we find eccentric seas we find. It's just to the gods we find. It makes it easier. It makes it easier. It makes it easier to love you through words. Your voice cackles like the wind in the south. Beauty, it remains in the fountain where you guided me to. Calculating the distance to your heart. And there are lanterns placed in your eyes. I saw poetry and grace and history and destiny. Face me, I can see worlds from my eyes. And why should I love you now? Your voice has already given me motive to write melodies and verses. And still we find our eccentric seas we find. It's just to the gods we find. It makes it easier. It makes it easier. It makes it easier to love you through words. Took you back on the riverboat, honey. There's nothing left to do. I took you back on the sailboat, honey, until my eyes were bruised. Feels like I'm drowning. Feels like I'm drowning. Feels like I'm drowning. Feels like I'm drowning, yeah. Well, poor little me and my riverboat queen. I got to love her till my man came home. And all of my things were planted in dreams of water of the darkest blue. But I feel like I'm drowning. Feel like I'm drowning, but I'm coming up. But I feel like I'm drowning. Feel like I'm drowning, yeah. Oh. Let's go riding on a steamboat, honey. Let's go riding on a steamboat, honey. I've got a green light, you've got a paddle boat. Maybe we can meet where the ship takes us to shore. I've got a disco
eyes to see a different point of view, but all I see is me without you. Me without you. But you don't take the high road.
If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.